Yeah.
Actually, instant first, protect your troll, have him last even longer, time it right as battle transcends. There's a lot of play potential. You don't need auras. Rupido or Carlo can go for it. Draft wise, what are we looking at here? What do you feel better on?
I think laning-wise, Blacklist will win.
Blacklist,
Yeah.
yeah. For me,
Yeah.
Blacklist.
I
But
didn't
knowing
understand
Ember
any-
Yowie,
Yeah.
he don't care on the lane.
Yeah, but if Yowie survive the lane, I think
Yeah.
Insi gonna win.
Which
No
is
bias,
very
okay,
unlikely
no
to
bias
happen,
though.
bro.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ember will get wrecked
Oy,
100%.
no bias, bro.
100%? Yeah, that's not being biased,
no.
bro. We're being real here. Even if
Oh,
I play Dazzle, Ember will
Only
lose, bro.
gravy. They said it's
Oh.
only gravy.
Only
For
gravy.
Armel.
Only gravy.
Only gravy.
Only gravy
Oh,
for
no.
Armel in KFC.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah.
gravy. Hey, hello. Where's your cam?
Oh,
Can you open your cam?
you want me to open the cam?
Yeah, open your cam.
Okay.
Ooh, you're drunk. You're drunk. You're drunk.
No, it's a normal.
No, you're drunk. Oh my god.
Why do you drink whiskey, bro? We're on the job right now. Very good in your head.
I really like this vibe. It feels so like natural.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Good vibe.
This is how we talk in at my home right now, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. That's
Can
Can you
you
say
say
Nama?
Mama.
Gen Expire, I think Alo is teasing you, bro.
Yeah.
Teasing me?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't feel like I'm teased.
No, Jan.
Yeah,
Okay,
Jan,
okay.
no. Jan,
I'm just
no.
practicing my English. Maybe
Yes.
I become
yes.
a English caster, right?
Mm-hmm.
for
Yes,
TI?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
Papa.
Kuya Nick,
wait.
broadcast is very stupid. They talk
Ooh!
a lot.
Oh, Kuya
Ooh,
Nick,
wala-
broadcast is so
Ooh.
stupid!
Yes, they just
Oh.
shouting, they just shouting.
Oh!
Yo.
No more honor, shots fired, shots fired!
Also the poor people in the Nostra, they don't know to predict. What the
Ooh!
Ooh.
The fuck, what?
Say no cap. Alo. No cap. Okay, no cap.
Damn.
Damn!
Some spice.
Oh, wait.
Spicy whiskey. Good
Yeah.
luck. Late good
Yeah.
luck. Okay.
Actually, Joel played center, ah. This is the first time I see Joel play center.
Yeah, stupidity will show on Joel.
Uy, no bias, bro!
Oh, sorry.
What the fuck?
You said last game he's good at center, right? gave him
Yeah,
heroes?
I give him heroes. Maybe that's why he picked center, right?
Oh.
Oh! Yo,
Skill.
God damn!
Damn.
Yo, nag-slide level 1, nakuha yung bounty.
What do you mean?
Ganun yun, no?
That's the title?
Hey, yun yung title of the highlights.
Okay,
Okay,
title
title of the highlights.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
If you translate that, how do you translate it, Alo? Ah? Can I pass?
I like this
Orochi.
Memorial as well. Level 1 Shadow Wave. Every time
Yeah.
Yoa comes up, just gets poked away.
Mhm.
Nice and cheap.
Ah, the
Another
pause?
pause up.
Other pause. Only pause this game.
Yeah.
Fuck, how can we speak in laning stage, Gab?
Yeah, I don't really know.
It's really hard.
Fuck.
It's really hard.
Can we go back?
It
Can
really
we have back time?
Can we rewind?
Do you mind going back to Tagalog, Mr. Jan?
No. I
Sure.
think this is better.
This is better.
Yeah. No, I think it's very
Any.
bad.
Yeah, it's really hard, ah. But I
It's
think
really hurt.
I didn't
I really
finish
hurt.
school.
I think if we speak in English, we can prove to the people that you're very versatile, guys. I think.
Ooh.
Yeah, I guess we could try. I guess we
Yeah.
could try.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have a good point. Point. It's not that.
Yes.
Point.
Yeah, John Expert will do
Okay.
play-by-play, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. In English.
Okay, in English only,
Okay.
okay? Okay.
Okay.
What did he say? G? Cannot understand? Can someone
I do
translate?
not know. I cannot read. I cannot.
Good point.
I don't
Good
know.
point.
What are they
Sir
talking
Jan.
about? Yes,
Do
sir.
you do we say John X Fire or John Fire? Like Hunter X Hunter, Hunter Hunter?
John X Fire.
John
X-Fire.
X-Fire.
X-Fire, yeah.
Like John
Yeah.
X
The
video.
X there.
Why fire, John? Why not
John
John
X
X Water?
You guys are old enough to. Oh shit!
Oh! Oh shit! I didn't see
shit.
that. I didn't
That-
expect that
that's
from
what
a
up.
Mel.
John,
What
that's
the
what I'm saying,
fuck?
John X-Water. That's what I'm saying.
First blood on
Dazzle
the
will
mid
easily
lane.
win the lane, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a hard lane.
Hard lane. Hard
G
lane.
Coming out
Farmel
with
is
that
doing
word.
it. What
Yeah.
the fuck?
Out, low
Armel
rune.
chip.
Not an easy time for Yoa.
Yeah.
I don't know. Did you guys ever like back in the day before Discord, right?
Yeah.
Did you guys use Xfire to talk to friends while playing? Because it had the
so.
overlay. Steam didn't have overlay. There's no Discord. So
Wait.
that was what we used. Like
You
YM,
missed it again. No.
No,
Again?
no. We just talk
So,
in game.
John, let me just clarify. Your age is not in the calendar anymore?
It's not. Yeah. No. It's still on the calendar.
Okay,
edge,
still on the
on the edge.
calendar.
On
Okay.
the edge.
Okay.
It's edging. It's edging. Yes.
It's okay, nice.
Very good question, Obris.
Yeah. Because
yeah.
he mentioned the application expire. I don't know that. Maybe
Yeah.
he's already
Very old.
35.
Oh, yeah.
I see.
Very old.
Okay.
I only know Camprag from those days.
Oh, Camprag.
Yeah, me
Oh.
too. Metro Manila Tambayan, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Bosco. I think we're
Oh,
GG, guys. Radiant win.
Okay.
Right now, no cap. For real.
Pwede na.
Yeah, GG. Congrats to Boss Bong.
This is why I
the
told you
lanes-
that the Dazzle pick is very outplayed. It's very
Yeah.
genius. Very
Yeah.
smart.
Yeah.
Very smart.
This Dazzle for Armel is just crushing, and then no rotations from the sides. The lanes are fairly stable. Even the bot lane for Joel, not really doing much against the troll yet. The double stuns. They cut the tree line.
Actually-
Ashi's just been going cutting trees, preventing bushwhacks.
Yeah, I told you, Joel's stupidity will show, bro.
Bro.
Well, something's showing. It's a little bit rough for him so far early on. I think the top lane's a little bit more surprising. That kill on Cuckoo is not something you'd expect from the Phoenix to overcommit on.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because Joel's specialty is you know Karinderya Jan?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where he always go. Just for he's always asking for only soup. Because the waitress is wearing skirt.
Can't fault him. The soup must be good, you know. Soup must be good. Not the only good thing though.
Yeah.
Multiple good things. Yes. You're also mana faced. Mana faced. 2-0 so far. Team Armel, every lane looking like it's crushing. Top 3 in CS, all from the side.
13
of
denies,
Team Armel.
14
Yeah.
denies.
5
This
CS.
is very
or-
embarrassing
last
for the dancing
Okay.
network, guys.
Yeah.
Very
Five
very
last hit,
embarrassing.
dancing Yowie.
Very embarrassing.
My
Oh,
god.
good scan
Oh
as
my
well.
god.
16 denies.
Oh.
And
Oh.
Tibbs! Oh, denying the bounty.
Yowie is getting
Oh,
absolutely
la, la.
wrecked right now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Not gonna have access to this lower rune as well
Oh.
unless he can slight steal again.
Oh.
Take it at the very least. And that's something. A little
think-
relief for good old Yo.
How can you come back from this if you are Yowie?
Go to the gym, bro.
Ooh. Jim,
Go
your
to the
mom.
gym. Go
Jim, your
boxing.
mom.
Sorry.
Not my mom, bro. Why me?
So,
Uy,
go back
Akashi
to
is
back.
dead, I think. Oh, not really,
Akashi?
not really. He's
No,
fine.
it's not
He's
gonna
fine.
die. Troll is
Yeah,
very tanky.
connect,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
yeah,
quite
it's fine.
enough damage.
I told you
Barrier
stupidity
can
will
play.
show. Yeah.
You snap a courier, but did deliver.
I
A
think-
little bit of bonus gold.
Ooh.
John, what do you think of the salary? Oh, sorry.
Of the salary?
Yeah. Sorry, my
Which
bad.
salary? What salary? Which salary? Salary of...
I
Yeah,
don't
the
know. I
players.
forgot the question already. I forget.
Yeah, the players
fine.
dyan.
Just let it be. Just let it be. Just let it be.
Depends.
Oh,
Huh?
I think he's fine. He's fine. He's
Look at
fine.
Yowie. No mana again. Yowie has no mana again.
Oh, okay, Joel gonna die. Joel's gonna die.
Joel's gonna die.
Yeah,
Stupidity will show.
Joel's dead.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Look at the CS of Chip Armel.
Yeah.
Holy
it's very
shit.
embarrassing.
23.
Holy shit.
Holy shish, bro.
34-23. What the fuck?
Holy shish.
11
It's a
last hit
nightmare
for
Yowie.
for
Yeah.
Yowie.
How's top
Level
lane? How's
4
top lane?
Ember. It's rough.
Top
is a
lane
little bit
is-
better,
Yeah.
but not good. It's not a great time for Et right now.
Yeah,
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, nice.
I'm curious. What do you guys feel about Dying Light versus Hotspot in general?
What?
Because the Phoenix facets.
Oh.
Does it going on to Rupido? They've got some damage, but not really enough. But
Rupido is dead, I
Oh,
think.
the dive
I think it's
forward,
enough,
can
John.
they
Yeah,
find him?
yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
enough.
they've got him.
Yeah.
Joey.
Wait, Yowie is level
Yeah.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, okay, the TP out from Jing, but Yoe is left alone on mid to deal with his nightmare of a game.
Oh,
Yo is
okay,
dead.
Yowie is
no
dead.
mana.
Yeah,
Yo
Yowie
is
is
dead.
dead.
Yo is dead.
Yeah.
He's got Jing
He
with
is.
the hammer,
He died.
and he's done.
Oh no, Yowie is dead again. Oh! Oy!
Oh,
Ah!
Ah!
Giving the last hit to Armel. Nice.
Ah!
The
TNC Yowie is
Meat
back!
right.
Look at his net worth, guys.
Tama!
Yo, no.
The mid phosphor is back!
Yeah!
The one who-
TNC
the one who
Yowie is
disbanded.
back. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
That's
look
a-
at
that's a-
look at Joel. Why he's not
Classic.
wearing his bracer? Hello?
I will
Joel?
put it. I will put it.
Joel?
Put it
No?
down.
Joel, your
Put it for
bracer.
him, put it for him.
Hello?
Right?
Hello?
Mr. Joel!
Mr. Joel.
What is this?
Hello, where is
The
Surely he
fuck?
recognizes at
Hey,
some
Mr.
point.
Joel! How many
Joel?
minutes?
Hello, Joel.
Hello.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh.
There we
Okay,
go.
okay,
There we
okay,
go.
okay.
There
Hello,
we
put it.
go.
Hello, put it.
Okay,
Ah,
okay.
okay.
Took a while.
Ano na 50 kayo,
Is he
tropa?
nervous? Is he nervous on game 5? Maybe?
I don't know anymore.
I think he's just tired, bro. Just tired. Not
Tired,
really
bro.
nervous. Yeah.
Minutes
Okay, so
already
five-
gone.
At 7
7.5
minutes,
minutes
John.
in.
Yeah.
Armel. Oh, nice deny from Jing at
Nice
least.
deny.
Area control is in their favor. They've got wards spotting. Sentry not in reach. They are set
Guys, don't bash Yowie, guys. This is really hard matchup for Ember.
Yes.
It's-
Yeah,
it's really-
very hard, very
He
hard.
got,
Yeah,
he got
yeah.
countered. What can you do?
It's a
Last week.
nightmare.
Gazel.
Yeah.
I think any melee
Yeah,
heroes
yeah,
that
yeah.
goes mid will get wrecked
Yeah.
Yeah.
against Dazzle.
It's not a good feeling.
Maybe Sand King,
Armel.
no?
Yeah, maybe Sand King actually. That's true. Armel is rushing the Ags into the Blessing. It's a little bit surprising he'll clear the slot, but
Ooh, slot.
he will have built up eventually.
Oh, Rupido is dead, I think.
Rupido
Yeah, he's dead,
caught
he's
out
dead.
again. TP out. Bushwhack is at the ready.
Okay, he's dead.
No.
Yeah, he's
done.
dead. Nice one.
And then-
Rupido, the balancer
Okay.
is back.
Yeah.
Okay.
In every team, there's always a balancer.
Yeah.
Okay. Yung blacklist, who?
In,
The balancer is...
there's a 10.
I'm so glad I hesitated, bro.
Okay.
You're baiting me, That's bad,
Stacks for Armel. Nice and free.
Okay, Joel is gonna die, I think. I think. Or no? Okay,
No.
no. Nah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
wait. He's still
Ah!
being aggressive. What is he doing?
Stun!
He's still dead. He's dead. For
I
real,
think
for
he's
real. Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay,
Why would you commit
okay.
the Stampede, though?
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
Armel popping
Oh.
off. 3-0-0.
But the
How
net
can
worth of
how-
Yowie, same net worth.
Hey,
with
Gabi.
Ruby. Yes.
Since you're off laner, how can you come back from here if your center is poor? That's the
I
question.
never know the answer because I'm always ahead.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Rupido.
They're trying,
caught out
they're trying.
again.
Oh, Rupido is dead again.
Balance. The
Oh,
balance.
the balancer.
Right foot takes away Kuku.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
That's it. A little bit worth, I guess. Rupido's worth a little bit more, so a happy sacrifice.
Yeah, happy. And Coco is
All
level
according to
6 soon.
Kuku's plan.
The game's still like 60-40 for Radiant, I think. What do you think,
Yeah,
John?
it's not quite bad. I don't think it's too bad yet. I do worry about Armel. Like, not really Akashi, it's this Dazzle. Once it pops off is really scary. He's had jungle access, he's had stacks. This bloody, what is it, Poison Bloom just makes it so easy to clear stacks. It's kind of insane. I think this, it's the mid that's really going to be an issue.
What's the timing here for Dire?
Dire timing. Maybe they just
Another
need to
centaur.
keep farming, I think. until Radiance and Blink.
So
I
they're
have a
just gonna
question.
let Radiant snowball from here?
Not really. They can counter punch, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, why you
That's a
have
good
a
swan.
question.
Oh, Blink swan.
Gabby, I have a question.
Yes. Yeah.
Who's stronger in late game? Is Nyx or Jarakal?
Nyx, I think. Because of Dogs. Yeah.
Oh, there's
Oh,
your
wait.
Nyx. He's going to
Natsumi
die
is
already.
gonna die. Yeah.
Oh,
Natsumi
Oh!
is dead.
Not
The
good.
net?
Not good.
Oh, still alive?
Yeah, Barlow is chasing
Eh,
down.
he's
He's
dead,
dead.
he's dead.
No invest, no invest, no
dead.
invest.
He's dead.
rather unfortunate. Cuckoo not able to really pop egg.
Yeah.
Can't really maximize the stampede and just sacrifice one by one.
Mhm.
It's getting a little bit scary. You're only one part away from Armel's Ags. He has the
What?
gold.
What did they ban last ban? Huskar and what's the
Huskar.
other
I'm
one?
not sure eh.
I forgot the last one.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Was the Husker?
Radiant's
don't-
middle tower
Oh,
is under
wait.
attack.
Oh no, this is actually big kill for you.
ES?
You think?
Ah,
It's
chat
big-
said
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yes. They should
Yes,
actually give the yes, not the dazzle. For me.
Hey, Alo, what do you think of the game, Alo?
Oh,
What
Alo's
the
still
game?
there? I thought he's sleeping.
Yes. I'm here.
Okay,
I'm just
nice,
watching.
nice.
Okay. But you always getting back in the game, huh? Look at his net worth now and level.
It's okay.
Right.
As long as Armel is still down, we're good.
Oh yeah. Armel is really fat.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Super pat.
Literally or what?
Yeah, literally. I think.
Actually, both, yeah.
Yeah. Bot? Both?
He's
We were
almost
both-
got his full Ags. It's gonna be a bit intimidating to go into that dazzle.
Yeah.
With how big he is.
After
I
Aghanims,
think
what does Dazzle build here?
Shard, I
It's
think.
very open.
And
Yeah, the
BKB.
shard is pretty big.
Or yours, Octarine.
Octarine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
he's gonna
Octarine.
go BKB first after Ags. Then he go
Not
Octarine
shard
after.
for Hex? Not shard for Hex?
No, he's gonna buy shard after Ags.
Okay.
Are you stupid?
Both.
Why
Oh,
me?
sorry.
Let's see. Grouping up bot.
Dire are
Just
scanning.
Akashi and his support onto the tier 2. Not much left to it. Top being pushed in as well.
Dire's
Yeah.
Pacing from Natsumi for that is not as quick.
Mm.
The
Yuri,
counter is fine.
already.
tower is under attack.
That is troll set to escalate even further. Number 2 net worth smoke. Instant farm. See if this rotation pans out with Armel. This is the Ags reveal flying out from the courier
Radiant
A lot of damage
structures are
now.
fortified.
for our dazzle if they can
Oh,
find
they
the angle
smoke
in.
it up? They wanna kill.
Radiant's top tower is
Okay.
under attack.
They already
Kill
put
Epic.
vision on the triangle of Dire.
I don't think they can kill Natsumi. Maybe they can just kill Mr. Cuckoo. Oh, he's
Mr.
going for
Cuckoo.
extra
Oh,
run.
Natsumi's going greedy, yeah.
Wait.
Oh,
You
out.
again?
steal it.
Oh, they can cancel.
Yeah.
They can...
Oh,
Thank you so
Good
much,
agent.
Ted. Thank you.
What is
Why are you
that?
disappointed,
Agent?
John?
Oh.
Ah.
No invest, Asian?
Eh,
Hello?
no.
Okay.
Hell no.
No,
Hell no.
that is a toughie.
Yeah. Your carry
It's a
dying
four.
and your mid. I'm sorry, go continue, John.
Oh, go continue.
No. Carry dying, you're mid, not still having to catch up. This farming phase for Natsumi as well, without the Radiance, just so slow.
Mhm.
And like the HP scaling as well, they nerfed in half, so he's not gonna have that extra leeway just from farm. Not yet, early on at the very least.
Dire's top tower has fallen.
What do you do now if you're Team Cuckoo? Like, just really farm, surrender.
Wait, this is
pick up
part
roll?
2? Is this replay?
It's- ooh,
Okay, I
huh?
thought it's a replay.
It has
What
the
the
rate.
hell?
Chain on 2, but not really able to
Dire's
follow
top
through.
tower is under
Oh, jump in. Armel, it's
Oh,
out for blood.
Yeah, I think they're going to die
down.
here.
Cool.
oh, they have bad. Wait, this is bad. This is bad for Radiant, guys.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And they can't-
Oh
get
my
Armel
god.
in the middle.
Keep
Oh
Armel.
my god, where's the gravy? There's the gravy.
Wait, no one's dying.
Where's the
No one's dying.
gravy?
No one's dying.
There's the
Wait,
gravy.
Not gonna be able to stay alive
Wait,
for too long.
Unlimited.
Wait, who's
There's
dying?
the gravy.
Wait, who's winning?
Akashi
Who's
might
dying?
Run around
Wait,
on the side
who's
as well.
winning?
Against
Who's
the lock
dying?
in.
Oh my god.
Oh my
There's
god.
the gravy.
Oh my god. This is
Two for 0 so far.
What a gravy by Armel.
Unlimited gravy.
Again, just pumping that gravy down. He's at KFC. He's got the whole dispenser.
Got the whole dispenser.
Yeah, straight to the rice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just pour it
Rice
all,
with
bro.
Gravy with
Yeah.
rice, bro. It's too
Dire's
much.
middle tower is under attack.
Much too much. Yo, what?
John, did you
Oh,
ask for
run.
consent for Armel?
No, I did not ask.
Oh, he's dead.
Yo, eh?
No way.
Okay.
Yo, what?
I should consider my 50K.
Donate.
Take more bling at 18.
I don't know. I just donate. Anonymous. Anonymous. Baited me.
It's okay. At least you're happy.
Easy?
GG, I think. No point
You think so?
playing this
Already?
game. Yeah, GG. Just go GG. Next.
Go next best of 7.
Yeah, GG.
So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is it carried? Is it team diff or just the draft mainly?
I feel like draft.
Drop,
It is,
drop,
it
drop.
is.
Play-wise, both are quite close, actually.
Yeah.
And we reached 5 bloody games. You know, it's almost midnight, so yes, it's fairly close. It's just the draft understanding. Maybe Hero Pool comes into play in that sense. We managed to catch, and for some reason, almost going through the gate. Stampede popped out. Not gonna be enough
Okay,
to
Joel is
save.
about to
Dead,
die.
Joel
Gun
is
is
dead.
dead.
On.
Bonk. Yeah.
Blade Mail does not do. Oh, they managed to steal
Bonk.
Stampede.
Okay, that's actually a good one.
50 gold for dagger.
Goku?
Why did Armel go
Armel?
for BKB instead of what did you guys say earlier?
Mm-hmm.
Ag shard.
Yeah.
I think you don't need shard. Okay, go BKB Octarine, I think.
Okay, go BKB.
Dire's bottom tower
Yeah,
is under
it doesn't
attack.
feel that threatening.
Yeah.
But how durable they are. Like just having this, as long as the Underlord manages to gate to you, it feels enough. Especially once this pipe is up on Rupido. Oh, Tims manages to lift up, but Yoa still gets the amp damage.
Okay, okay. Game 6, game 6.
Game 6.
Game 6.
Let's go, Boss Bong.
Yes.
If it goes game
Ags
6,
up.
John, are you still up to play? To cast, I mean?
Is it really going to best of 7? Are we in the NBA?
We're just kidding, we're just kidding.
Let's go. Let's go. I've never done a best of 7. I'll have to rework my rates, guys. I will amend. Ags up and Akashi into the pit they go. No contest from the side of Team Kuku. Just have to farm. And that's almost got Radiance. That's something, right?
Yeah, something to look for, but actually not so much.
Not really.
Yeah,
No.
not a game changer, no.
Need a lot more.
You got us Radiance.
Late game,
Will
late
they
game.
fight? Will they fight with Joel's dagger?
I think the last fight earlier, they really
Ah?
looked bad for the Radiant, but they still somehow managed to win. I don't know.
Yeah, it looked really rough.
Really, really bad.
Like,
But
it was in a really good position.
yeah, also the only gravy for Armel, ah. That was
Yeah.
clutch.
That window. Just the lack of damage. I think that's where the EXP and gold really factor in. Just didn't have
Yeah.
enough to burst in that window.
So hard to talk, ah. English
So
while
hard to talk.
losing.
I always sleep.
What's next here?
Ay.
SNY for Akashi.
This
Five
is
to
Geek
be finished
Pumpers,
from
the
Geek
best of 5.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
First, Grand Finals.
Yeah, this is Geek Pumpers. Not so
No
big.
flying.
Oh, the Geek Fam curse.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Guys, the opposing team is still playing. Don't lose hope, okay?
Ooh. Can you give me 10k?
Radiant's top tower
Can you give me 5k?
I try to come back with 10k, Bruce. Please.
What about me? 5k only, please.
Boss Bong,
Diaper, diaper.
can I have 20k, Boss Bong? Please. Oo nga ga. Boss Bong is dead. Na, 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 na.
Kuko is dead. How about high ground, guys? High ground defense.
it's
Yeah.
easy for Radiant to high ground.
Yes.
Even though there's
that
5 man.
Yeah,
On
they have
dive?
control. Yeah,
Is under attack.
Okay.
easy for Radiant.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Yeah, it doesn't take much.
Radiant
Yeah.
structures
As long
are
as Sakashi can hit. Feels like they need to connect perfectly with his Spoof Stomp, Pushback, and Egg. That's like the play for high ground. It's easier said than done. Tier 2 falls, no defense, Wisdom Rune as well,
They're going to take their
along with
mentor
the
as well.
Mentor.
Yep.
Nothing left alone.
They're really not giving
More
space,
Warcraft.
Look at the map
No.
for the Dire. It's very little. It's very small.
Very small.
Yeah,
Like my dick.
Eto na.
Yes, I agree.
the division game has been good from Team Armel.
Infest, stolen.
For high ground. Stolen Infest as well.
Yeah, it's really good.
They're trying.
Oh, you got no stump, Mr. Tibbs.
Oh, the grave. The other gravy.
Only gravy. Oh
Only
my
Gravy's
God.
cheat code, bro. Yeah.
Good, bro.
Really got
Yeah.
out-drafted here. Who's drafting in Dire?
Yeah.
Tell him to retire already, bro.
Ooh! Bosco! He said you
What the
retire!
fuck?
Holy shish!
Yeah, that's
Oh.
John Expire. John Expire told me.
Holy shish!
Oh.
Shots
Asking
fired!
10k, no?
I never say that. Oh, yeah. Here we go again.
Oy,
Putting words in my mouth. Oh my
oy,
goodness.
oy, 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 oy. Holy shit, what the fuck below the belt?
Dire's middle tower.
Hey, can
John
I have your
Expire actually,
Union Bank, Mr. Breeze?
Dire's top tower.
No, not me, not me.
Who?
Why are you asking for UB? You're gonna send me all the money?
No, the 560 guy, wanna send it right now.
I think it's gonna be
Because he's gonna
maintenance.
He already tapped out,
Maintenance?
bro?
Structures are
I think so. No, you're just gonna send. You just send back if we win, okay?
Is under attack.
Okay.
Where's your UB? Can you give me your UB? Send it to me, okay? The full detail.
Okay.
Okay.
Bottom tower is down, guys.
Oh
Yeah.
no!
Odd Tower, got Rax, just set the fault.
Fucking
Creep Star
drop!
cut off at the very least,
Dire's
but
bottom
backdoor.
barracks has fallen.
Our drop
This
is
is
so
why-
shit, guys!
Yeah. This is
Oh
why
my
God.
drug
They're
is
trying.
very important,
Rupido?
okay?
Maybe they find one.
How?
No,
I
Rupido is very tanky.
With that
That's
fight.
very
Yeah.
very unlikely. You know
And
Bulalo?
they'll get collapsed on. Bulalo, yes.
Yeah,
Stampede
Rupido
to
is
run
like
away.
Bulalo.
Why?
Because
Oh,
he
Yowie!
loses.
Oh, Yui! Piso!
Oh,
Is
they
dead.
got Yowie.
Solo kill by Rubik. Hello?
As well, just gone.
Nice
Oh
catch.
my
Teams.
God! Nice catch, Sir Teams.
Sir, teams.
He's
Very
playing
good.
really good as Rubik, ah.
Can I have 10k? I cast
Glimmer stamp.
And I'm
Very
losing.
good in catching.
Putang ina.
In the mind of miracle. Sir, teams.
To the high ground they go.
Yeah,
Again,
John
no-
Expire, I think this is the last fight, bro.
It does feel like we're inching towards that point.
Okay.
14k. Ags up on Atsumi, but again, it doesn't feel like that's going to be enough just yet. Last fortify out, smoke in the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are
I already completed.
Oh,
The grave.
Down the gravy.
No damage at all, bro.
no damage at
Where's
all.
the
No
damage?
damage at all.
It's not there.
Zero hope.
Come
Zero
out.
hope.
Oh,
Okay.
bong, GG.
The egg.
Okay,
GG.
eggs gone, everyone's gone, no buyback.
GG.
3 dead for the Dire side.
Congrats to Boss Bong and Team Radiant.
Hello,
Congrats.
Nimus. Can I stop pa, okay?
Oh, the
Boss
Casio,
Bong, nice one, Boss Bong. Galing mo talaga. Cheso ko lagi, Boss Bong.
GG.
Ah,
That's the game. That's the game, bro.
Yeah, that's the
That's the
game. Very
game.
outdrafted, yeah. Yowie did not even play this game, I think.
No.
He was
feel
not
like
given the
Genesis-
chance to play Dota.
So okay guys, nice try. No blaming, okay? No blaming
Nice
here.
try.
Yeah, the series is really good. No
That
blame.
was
What the fuck is that drop?
yes.
Out drop.